Investing allows us to tap into the power of compound growth, where our money works for us, generating returns that can outpace inflation and provide a steady stream of income. Whether it's through dividends from well-established companies or interest earned on bonds, investing provides a way to create a financial cushion, a safety net that allows us to enjoy retirement without the constant worry of outliving our savings. Remember, investing is not about getting rich quick. It's a long-term strategy for preserving and growing wealth, ensuring our financial independence throughout retirement. Inflation erodes the value of our savings over time. Retirees on fixed income see their purchasing power diminish each year. Investing in assets that grow faster than inflation can protect our purchasing power. Stocks, real estate, and commodities have historically outpaced inflation. Investing carries risks, so approach it with a strategy. Diversify investments and seek expert guidance to mitigate risks and safeguard against inflation.